Hi, my dear Uncle Demi. Here I am. Part D. Maintenance of water wells. As water well age tends to decrease its rate, generally, a decrease of 25% or more in 1 year indicates that remediable processes are necessary. Water wells should be inspected every 10 years at least for obvious features of failure. By this, be sure that the area within 50 meters round well is clear from any item causing any pollution of water supply. Also, right wisdom must take into consideration that delaying remediable procedures significantly increase the cost after and may be making remediable impossible. Moreover, it is important to keep all records data related to each well as follows: water well completion report or log, such as drilling date, total depth, diameter, casing specification, and rocket drawn; water quality test report, past inspection report, if it is found, and pump replacement specification report also. Drop on water production from water well can occur sometimes due to the lower on groundwater level from resistance drought or over pumping of well zone. More often, reducing water well yield can be related to some common problems in the well itself, such as incrustation from mineral deposits, biofuel by the growth of microorganisms, physical blogging of aquifer, sand pumping, well screen and casing corrosion, and pump damage. The successful of remediable will maximize the flow of water from wells, taking consideration that the specific capacity of well is the common measure item for control, which is defined as the pumping rate divided by the drawdown. Generally, the two most common methods to remediable and repair water wells will be chemically dissolving the encrusting materials from well and physically cleaning by injecting water, sometimes including chemicals, into the well under high pressure. Chemical and biological incrustation. Main forms of incrustation can occur from build-up of calcium and or magnesium salt, iron, and manganese components of blogging caused by slime-producing iron bacteria or other similar organisms. Using a high concentration of acid solution is the main successful method to dissolve encrusting materials. Once loosened or dissolved, the encrusting material will be pumped from the well with the acid solution. Moreover, mechanical methods sometimes, such as wear, brushing, or scraping, are often used also in conjunction with acid treatment to improve the recovery. Causing of biofouling or biological clogging of well screens and rock features is attributed to iron bacteria. Rapid growth of this bacteria type and similar treated slime cause clog on well screen pools and virtually useless of water, as shown in the growth figure. Best results are achieved when using 50 mg per liter dose of free chlorine in conjunction with physical agitation of well to remove the effect of biological residuals. Physical blogging and sand pumping. Migration of fine particles from the aquifer towards the borehole and well screen let the screen become clogged. Hence, replacement of the saturation screen is a wise decision in this case. There are many reasons which encourage the blogging feature, such as faults on well design, insufficient pumping time on well development stage directly after construction, screen and or casing corrosion, leaving the well without exploitation for a long time after construction, and pump reputation. Anyway, chemical remediable treatment with agitation by using surge plunger or high velocity jet will gain a good result of an effective solve for this problem. Moreover, continuous removal of dislodged sediments by using a recirculating jet operation will give the best result as planned. Figure showing iron oxide, iron bacteria and biofilm on submersible pump. Look my dear and know the big problem of corrosion by yourself. Corrosion of metal cases and erosion of screen opening of wall will cause to collapse the wall and reducing its effectiveness because it will leak for excessive sediments and hence sand bumping feature subsequent by the duration of pump bar will be occur. Anyway, using carbon steel screens are more resistant than stainless steel. Moreover, in installation of smaller diameter screen inside the original, which is known as liner treatment, can be used also for solving the effect of corrosion problems as you see. Figure showing the corrosion effect on water well skating. Look my dear to the dangerous effect of this action. Damage of pump. Usually damage of pump can be occur as a result of many factors such as corrosion of pump path, increasing the drawdown and hence increasing the dynamic level more than the position of pump, continually pumping sands and sediments for a long time, high operation temperature without fixing a suitable cooling circuit, and pump cavitation. Maintenance and repair of pump and motor parts must be done in accordance to the manufacturing recommendation and doing by a specialist team of work. Figure showing damage causing pumping sand. Look my dear and note what has happened for the pump. Goodbye.